Alright everybody, how y'all doing? I am here with the unboxing of Cubi 40-inch computer desk. Now one thing I like about it, and then this really caught my eye when I looked at it on Amazon. Yes, this come off Amazon. I got it for $48.99. Now some of y'all probably sit down and say, well, Ron, why you didn't buy a IKEA desk? Or why you didn't buy an expensive monitor computer desk from Corsair, stuff like that. Well, IKEA desk is expensive because I got to buy the desk plus the cubes, which those are $150 a piece. So you look at that like $180 for a 50-inch desk plus the cubes. So I spent a little more over $400. And all those gaming desks that's only that gamers are using now, and they're recommending that we use. I do not have time to be spending $1,599 to $2,000 to $3,000 on a computer desk that stands up, etc., etc. So yes, when you're on a budget, you want to stick to your budget, and you want to go ahead and buy what you like to buy on a budget perspective. Now, like I said, I'm not spending. I don't recommend anybody spending more than you have to spend. So, this is Cubi 40-inch desk. This is my grandson's desk, and he's going to enjoy it sitting at his desk doing his homework from school. Because yes, he's in kindergarten. He got to do this already for kindergarten and stuff, so they can be ready to take this test towards the end of the year. And I want him to be fully ready, fully modified. And I build him a system that is in the box. It don't make no sense for it being in the box. So yes. This 40-inch desk from Cubi will do the needs, and it will meet the needs. So now I'm excited of seeing what's inside the product, and if everything is good, for $48.99, I would recommend it. Now if you want two of it, if you want an 80-inch, you can go ahead and buy two of them and go do a 180 presentation, or you can go ahead and do an L shape. It don't matter how you buy, because if you buy two of these here, you can save $49 a piece. That's $98, almost $100 for just two desks. So, but this is $48.99, so you can save $49 flat, and that's like $98, almost $100 for two desks. If you want to go the long stretch route, you can go 80 inches, or you can go ahead and convert it into an L shape. All right, let's get into the unboxing of it. I'm so excited to have this desk. I saw it on Amazon, and I couldn't walk away for it, so I have put it in my buy later save later list. So when I come back to it, I can go ahead on and purchase it. Alrighty, simple, easy setup. And one thing I understand, if you like putting things together, and I go ahead and I make it clear. Always read your manual. It don't hurt to read your manual. It really don't hurt. Read your manual. You know the setup, and you know what you have to do. Simple, easy setup. It won't take that long to do what you got to do, and enjoy putting it together. All right. Always refer to your manual right here, so you know what you have to do. Okay, what comes inside the box itself? You get stand number 1. You get stand number 2. You get your hardware. That's a must. If it don't have your hardware, if it's missing that, please contact the seller off Amazon to let them know it's missing hardware and I need to return it. Or send out you a pack of hardware. Alright, ooh, this desk looks so nice. Oh yes, OMG. The desk. Look how nice that look. Look how nice that look. Look at that. Nice wood feel. Yeah, and I beat on it, so you know it is. It's wood. Now it's not thick, so it could be weight and heavy, but this is nice. Nice weight, nice texture. Let me go ahead and get a good close-up shot for y'all. So y'all go ahead and see. Look at that. Look how nice that baby look. Nice. Very nice. You get the top. And on the top you already have your screw holes instructions. So you want to go ahead on in. Go wrong with that. You got everything set up for you, so you cannot go wrong with that. And last but least, you get your scissors to go ahead on and keep it locked in place and keep everything sturdy. Go ahead and open it up for you. Keep everything nice and sturdy for you. So yes, you can't go ahead on and mount a monitor onto the desk because it don't have that crossbar that's blocking it. So yes, you do have open spaces to do that. Now, by me looking at the product itself, y'all probably want to know, Ron, would you recommend this? Absolutely. I would recommend Cubi computer desk 40-inch. Yes. For people who are looking for a nice simple setup and don't want to go ahead on and break the budget. I want to thank y'all for watching the video. All the links and the affiliate links and the web manufacturer will be in the description below. So if you click on it, get to know the manufacturer a little better and read it. If y'all on a budget, you don't want to spend $150 plus on a computer desk to go ahead and do your needs. Alrighty, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.